Hello students, hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to discuss the second part of the video of chapter 6, that is changes around us. In first part of video we have discussed the topic, that is types of changes, in which we have discussed about slow and fast changes, natural and man-made changes, and desirable and undesirable changes. Now in today's video, we will discuss about the reversible and irreversible changes and physical and chemical changes. So first of all, reversible and irreversible changes. Now, the change that can be reversed easily by reversing the condition to obtain a substance in its original form is called reversible changes. Now, if we are folding a paper 3-4 times, so what will happen? If we are unfolding it, the paper will become in its original shape. Like that, expansion of heating is also reversible change. What happen when we are heating some metal? It expands, वो फैल जाता है, and जब वो ठंडा होता है वो वापस से contract कर जाता है. So expansion on heating is a reversible change because it is expanding when it is being heated, and when it becomes cold it gets contracted. Like that, fixing of iron rim on wooden wheel. You must have seen bullock cart. The wheel of bullock cart is of wooden, and above the wooden wheel iron rim is fixed to it, so that when it is moving the wooden wheel cannot become uh, broken. So on the wooden wheel iron rim is fixed so that it can move faster. Like that, fixing of iron blade on a wooden handle. Iron blade like spade. In the spade also, when it is being heated, then the wooden handle is fixed into it, and then it is contracted and it becomes fixed to the wooden handle. Like that, blowing a balloon and then letting the air escape from the balloon, reverse the position of the balloon. When we are putting air, it is blown in the big size, and when we are leaving, the air is escaping from the balloon, it becomes shrink, and it becomes in its original form. Like that, stretching of spring or a rubber band, this all are reversible change, so it can come back to its own position again. Now, what is here? You can see folding of paper, then metal rim on the wooden wheel, roti, making roti from the dough, blowing balloon. All these are examples of reversible changes. Next is irreversible change. What happened here? The change that cannot be reversed, even by changing the condition to obtain a substance back in its own form, is called irreversible change. Now, folding of paper was reversible change, but when we are cutting the paper, will it be become in its own position? No. Cutting of paper में आपका पेपर वापस से नहीं बन सकता है, so it is irreversible change. Like that, cutting potato in pieces, again we are not getting back the whole potato, so this is irreversible change. Like that, burning of paper, then grinding of wheat grains into flour, all these are irreversible changes. Also, when we are cooking food or baking a roti, a new product we are getting which cannot be reversed back in its own position. So all these type of changes which cannot come back in its own form is known as irreversible changes. Like here, burning of paper, cutting of vegetables, grinding of flour, and cooking of vegetables. All these are irreversible changes. When one time it has been done, it is not coming back to its own position. Now, like that, physical and chemical change is also there. A change in which no new substance is formed is called physical change. Or you can say, if a change occurs in the physical property of the matter, such as size, shape, and state, is known as physical change. Now here examples, again the same example will be there, but you have to put it into the same original category, correct category. Cutting vegetable into pieces. What happened here? It is changing the shape, and but it is physical property. It can cutting vegetable into pieces, cutting of paper, melting of ice. No new product is coming out, but what is happening here? It is changing the shape, size and state, but no new product is coming out. When but in the chemical change, you can see if the change occur in the chemical property of the matter, such as smell, color, texture, are known as chemical change. Or we can say a change in which a new substance is formed is called a chemical change. Now we are burning paper. So what new substance is coming? Some smoke is coming out, and when we are burning the paper, some ashes we are able to see. So ashes is the new product. ओके कलर चेंज हो गया टेक्सचर चेंज हो गया स्मेल आ रहा है सो दिस इज समथिंग न्यू इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द chemical changes is coming in the category of chemical changes. Like that, cooking of vegetables, again cooking of vegetables, a new product is coming, cooking, smell, texture, everything is different. So this type of change is known as chemical change. Where we are, when we are tearing the paper, here the shape size is changed, but no smell, nothing, texture is not changed, nothing is there. So that is physical change. And chemical change in which a new substance is formed is chemical changes. Now here one activity is given in which you have to find out which is reversible change, which is irreversible change. One or two I will do it for you, like raw egg to boiled egg. What will happen? Raw egg to boiled egg. When egg is boiled, will it become into raw egg again? Will it be reversible or irreversible change? What do you think of it? So here I think it is irreversible. Boiled egg के बाद वो कच्चा अंडा नहीं बन पाता है. So it is irreversible change. Like that, batter to idli. What happens here? Idli becomes batter again. Now you find out, ask your parents, think about it and do it in your activity book. So this is the activity of reversible and irreversible changes. So the next part of the video, that is called what is the causes due to which changes happens. It will be discussed in the next part of the video. Till then, bye.